Hold up your phone. You're holding one of the most complex objects ever manufactured. Because what you're holding took longer to build than you think, and traveled further than almost anything else you own. The iPhone is made of over 2,000 individual components. Those components come from more than 40 countries. The finished phone ships to over 60 more. No single country could build an iPhone alone. Not even close. Let's start at the beginning. The dirt. The glass on your screen starts as silica, essentially sand, mined in the United States. Corning's Gorilla Glass facility in Kentucky takes that raw silica and transforms it into one of the toughest transparent materials on Earth. Chemically strengthened. Designed to take thousands of impacts before it fails. The aluminum for the casing comes from bauxite ore, mined in Australia and Guinea. Refined into aluminum, shipped to China, machined into the body using CNC mills, accurate to a fraction of a millimeter. That precision isn't accidental. Apple designed their own alloy, their own machining process, their own specs from scratch. The rare earth elements in your speakers, your camera motors, your haptics, those come largely from mines in Inner Mongolia. Neodymium for the magnets, praseodymium, dysprosium. Materials most people have never heard of, doing jobs most people never think about. Your phone vibrates. That's rare earth magnets. Your camera autofocuses. Rare earth actuators. You hear audio through speakers thinner than your fingertip. Rare earth voice coils. Now the chips. The A-series processor inside an iPhone is designed entirely by Apple. No outside firm. No licensed architecture beyond the base. Apple's chip team builds it from the ground up. Then it goes to TSMC in Taiwan to be manufactured. TSMC uses machines that etch circuits at 3 nanometers, smaller than a strand of DNA. These machines, called EUV lithography systems, are made by one company in the Netherlands, ASML, the only company on Earth that can build them. The chip gets packaged, tested, shipped to Foxconn. This is where it all comes together. Foxconn's facilities in Zhengzhou, China, employ hundreds of thousands of workers. The campus has its own dormitories, restaurants, and transit systems. At peak iPhone launch season, they produce 500,000 phones a day. Here's the part most people don't know. Final assembly is still done by hand. Humans, not robots. Robotic systems can't yet replicate the dexterity needed to seat every component exactly right. Workers are trained to perform one precise task, thousands of times per shift. Once assembled, every phone gets tested. Screen uniformity, speaker frequency response, camera calibration, battery performance, Face ID accuracy. If it fails any test, it doesn't ship. The ones that pass get packaged, loaded into shipping containers, and sent to distribution hubs around the world. From factory to store shelf, the whole journey takes less than 2 weeks. Start to finish, the supply chain behind a single iPhone spans the entire planet. And every year, Apple does it again. New model, new components, new suppliers, same impossible logistics. The phone in your hand isn't just a product. It's the most complicated object most humans will ever own.